Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen, like so, twice, and this will show you a bunch of toggles. Now we are looking for the power saving mode, which for me it is on the second page, and it's called battery saver. Once you see it, you can tap on it. It gives you two options, so welcome to battery saver, and we have standard battery saver and extreme battery saver. Now the one that you're most likely going to be interested in is the standard one, which will limit visual effects and background activity, turn on dark theme, and if not already on. Okay. Now extended one is the one that you might want to enable if you're stranded on a deserted island. This basically, just to showcase this, turn on, will remove the access to most of the applications. Just get rid of those. Typically it also gets rid of wallpapers and other things and just makes your device look a little bit more unusable. So this is still keeping it just kind of normal looking, but just know that if at one point, maybe with some updates, it might change how it looks like, so you might not have any of these pop-ups and you might have like fully black wallpaper, as it is an AMOLED display, so it might as well not show you any wallpaper. So it's a bit of a mishap right here on Google's part to continue to have wallpaper in extreme mode, as this mode is designed deliberately to preserve as much battery as it can, and having a wallpaper does not achieve that. Anyway, going back in here, you can hold this. Once you select one of the modes, it looks like it's just going to stick to it. So sticking to the other one, we can click right here, and this will now enable the normal power saving mode, which just looks like nothing's changed. But there is going to be a couple things happening in the background. For instance, you might experience some changes in Wi-Fi and mobile data, and in terms of how your notifications interact with it. So if you see some kind of weirdness happening, just know that it's most likely power saving mode. Now, once you're done with it and you want to turn it off, find the toggle once more and simply tap on it. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.